Hi guys, morning everyone. Sorry, I'm just a bit rushing things today, just a bit late as well. Uh, so how's everything? Everyone doing all right? Happy Friday. So basically, today it's gonna be a short day, guys, for me. Probably maximum 1 hour trade. Hopefully, I'll be done before that. Uh, thanks, Andrew. Hope you guys. What I will suggest is definitely keep in mind that Friday can be a little bit hectic, guys. Just want to remind you of that, and remind myself, of course. But having a look at the SPY, it's done quite a bit of move yesterday, and usually SPY trends a bit lower, but it's already happened, so I'm not expecting too much from it. But if it starts to break this low, 428, then I think there could be some bigger moves coming into SPY. But that needs to hold though if it's gonna stabilize. That's all I will say. If it starts to break that for the lows 429s, then I will definitely keep an eye on Apple and all those big large caps, guys. And if it doesn't, then if it goes back in that zone of that red candle, then we could be due for some really choppy action today. But that's the plan with SPY, and the rest is pretty much clear, guys. Everything else is the same. CEI I'm watching. Sign of weakness is coming into it, and short bias definitely. PALT short bias. Most of the things I see today is short biased. Usually Fridays can be like that. The only thing is AMC is just picking itself up quite strongly, so I'll be careful shorting it. But 40 level is to watch, guys. 40 level, watch that. If it starts to trade over and under and starts to break down, then that is our clue for the weakness to continue. But yeah, it's just on both sides. UVXY I kept it because if SPY starts to do something, then we can keep an eye on UVXY. LCID short bias looks weak today as well. Chrome uh, 50-50 still in play though. That's short biased. Go definitely short biased for the moment. DLTR as well, guys. So quite a lot of things that's to be shorted. Best of luck, guys. It's open, and it may seem like I'm like running around with like a headless chicken, but it might be true. That's what I'm gonna say. It might be true. So, but I'm just gonna. That's why I'm gonna wait up, relax, get my flow, because I need a while for me to get hang of the charts and get into that zone. So, might have to wait 10 minutes today, guys, for me to trade anything. But call out if you guys see anything parabolic, any washes, please call them out on the watch list, even if it's not the watch list. It has to be a strong move down or up, guys. So don't just stay there and take it for yourselves, guys. All right, best of luck. Let's do this. What are we looking at? So this one looks like almost not very strong. Looks like a fader to me. Let me see. What do we have? Not too expensive. That's good. I can try to locate that. Right. Cool. Okay, so I am seeing Lucid going a little bit of a wash. Lucid LCID. Keep an eye on it, guys. Especially it's under now yesterday's close, which is a good thing. We want this area to get hit again. Over and under this close area between 2540s to 50s. That's our area. That's our zone that it needs to get hit. Pull back to, and then we'll see if it does give us some options. Right. PALT is also washed. PALT. Let's have a look. Yeah, that might be a nice opportunity. PALT. Right, just waiting on it, guys. Things might look a bit missed opportunities, but even though if we miss any opportunities, that's fine. Um, I'm okay with that on Friday, especially. LCID. Damn you, LCID. Yep, absolutely. That's really nice, actually. Ride. Ooh, right. Interesting. Okay. I'm intrigued. Ride. Ride. Quite a bit extension going on at the moment now, guys. Yeah, it might be due for a reversal, to be honest. By the way, what is it? Bmra might be looking good, guys. Bmra. Just a little bit early for me, though. So as you can see, guys, that AMC just barely touched that 40 and completely failed off. Now, if it wasn't Friday and if it was a bit later down the line, like 5 minutes into, I would have taken that short. Um, I would have started with small, and then if it did give us another opportunity for a short right now, for example, um, I would have definitely added to it, because when AMC starts to move, yeah, it does move. And that 40 really was a big level. I mean, it's been a level for a while now. So yeah, that would have been a quick short there. And now, right now, 3940s rejection from VWAP could be a setup here, guys, on AMC. But just remember, guys, on AMC it does really like to do that initial wash and bounce, or bounce and wash kind of thing. So if you're gonna take it, maybe go slow and then keep your risk tight. If I'm gonna go with it, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. Right now it doesn't look that bad, guys. I would definitely say wait for the confirmation, which is your red candle coming in and finishing at least on 1 minute, which is about right now. Right. Palt is moving, guys. Palt wants to go again, is it? Really? Ooh, choppy. Choppy. Palt is quite choppy, guys. This is what I mean by AMC. That you know, this confirmation is followed by this, so that is why you wait. And this could have easily been that green if you had taken it. So, I mean, what I normally do is I'll just wait for this to really show sign of weakness till the last seconds of that minute candle. And by then, if I decided, I would have entered maybe in the middle of this red candle, and then by the time everything goes, it just quickly closes anyways. So things don't change much after my entry unless it's really something aggressive. So yeah, there was definitely a trade there, guys, on AMC. Hope some of you take it. Right, so that PALT looks very, very interesting. PALT. Right. This area here, we could be in that box, guys, on PALT. Could be in that box, which means 1265s and 1180s. By the way, Bmra I think might have given us a really good clue here. It's like it's hunted all those stops or whatever it did. It just completely rejected from that. So might have just given us that directional bias. CEI, completely missed it, guys. CEI, I was definitely watching this for a really, really good opportunity. This was my main watch. I was watching on the side, I just couldn't capture on it. Um, that's a good missed opportunity there. Okay. By the way, anybody took AMC? Anybody? Nobody took AMC? Right there. Rejection of VWAP. I guess not. That's fine. Still Fridays. Still early, I would say. What's our spy doing? I think PALT might be going for it as well. Short biased on PALT already. I just need that 200 to get taken out. Now that's a really good one, guys. As you can see, bounced off of 200. Now this might provide us with that setup of ours. Remember, just keep an eye on PALT, guys. Ah, James. Okay, it's better not to trade it, to be honest, if you're gonna do that. And anybody got into Lucid, please, somebody. LCID, LCID, anywhere here. Do, 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 do. Cool, cool. That that is how it should be usually on Fridays. That's how I like to trade as well. Like leave quite a bit of time, like 10 minutes around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was in that time frame. Definitely. There it goes. Palt, P-A-L-T. Palt is quite expensive though. That's the problem. Yes, sir. I am trying Bmra. I'm looking into Bmra short, guys. Looking into some sort of a rejection, some sort of confirmation around that EMA and VWAP. So Bmra, looking for shorts right here, 610s. The stop is over VWAP. I got 610s, guys, 610s. Stop is going to be over the break of VWAP, guys. So it might be either 10-15 cents or maybe 20 cents. So might be more than that. So just risk accordingly. Now that bounce is not good, but remember this could easily just wick over the VWAP and then come back in. And if that's the case, that's a good sign. But I think it's slightly a bit early as well. That VWAP needs to hold, or worst case scenario, that 630 needs to hold. Especially if it does wick up above the VWAP. Usually it will do that over VWAP just to hit those liquidities pools. Also keep an eye on Lucid as well, guys. LCID, if it does provide us with something. Bounce to 25 would be really nice on Lucid. Keep an eye on that, guys. Let me know. Lucid, yeah. Yeah, we have this zone here between 25 to 25.10. That zone, if it does bounce back to. Yeah, I was looking into that AVIR as well on the side. Damn. Damn, Jay. You're killing it, man. Be done with it. That's it. One trade, one good trade. That's it. That's all you need. That's a good problem to have. That's a really good problem to have. Yep, that's it. That's what we want. Right, this might still have the strength to continue, guys, so I have to be careful on it. I just will watch this. If it starts to close above VWAP, then I'll get out of it. I might give up on it a little bit more, give back, but I'm willing to take that risk. Volume coming in. Ideally, I think on the break of 625 will be an exit now. 625s. Because it's already popped over, which I was expecting anyways. But break of 625, I'll be out. Break of 625s. That's what I'm looking for, guys. Yes, Jay, well done, buddy. Just start strong. And if that's the trade you took, 45.40s, beautiful, excellent trade. Just stick to it, mate. Don't make it worse. Fridays, you know how it is. I don't need to tell you. So that's all. Sometimes that's all you need, really. That first hit, and that's all the market gives you. Okay, LCID you said, right? LCID, I think that 25s. Right, looking good. LCID, boom, boom, boom. Looking for LCID, guys. All right. Okay. What's my entry? 24. Under 25, I got 24. Hold on. 24.90. I think 98. I'll have to check. I got in around 24.98s, under 25s. Just gonna give it a little bit of a room, guys. Now on this one, it could be over and under the 25s. We got some room towards EMA and VWAP. So I want to play out. Oh, really looking good, BMRA. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. That was a decision factor. Now, on this one, guys, just need to make sure that this level holds 25.20. Now, if it does hold, then it will look good on Lucid. But BMRA, baby. Let's go. That Aver AVIR is my kind of trade. Really love it. Just a bit late. I would have taken it a bit early, to be honest. I'm just kidding. It's good. It's good trade. Alright, this is looking good. Now, what we want is if it does pop back of close to 6s and it starts to fail off, that's even better. I might even add there, guys. BMRA. Just keep an eye on that. There it goes. Let's see what it does. Oh, by the way, Palt is going crazy again, I think. Might be wrong on it, but... Right, 592s. 592s. Might be a bit early, guys. I've added 592s. Just a bit early, but that's fine. There we go. Here we go. Let's do this. Come on. And our Lucid is doing a nice job as well. Now on Lucid, guys, what I will say is just on the still early, I think, guys. I just need this to get broken, the lows, because I was gonna say that, you know, over 25 should be the stop, but then over 25 could be just a wick and then going up to VWAP and rejecting as well. So I'm gonna wait on Lucid to break that 25 15s, right? By the way, PALT, going for it again, guys. PALT. I might even try this long, but a very small long. Oh shit, my charts are acting up again. just gonna wait upon it, see if it does do some sort of a micro pullback, which is already done, in my opinion. This could be a little bit hectic. I will trade it on the side, guys. I will not call it, but do it on your at your own risk. Um, this could be quite hectic, PLT. We're just gonna settle with the trades that we already have. It's not gonna go crazy on it. So this is attacking that that area 6s and then that 200 EMA. I think this break is not a very successful one, but these ones usually will like wash up a bit and then climb back a bit and then starts to wash again. So if that price action still is intact, I'm okay with this trade. Now, however, having said that, if something changes big time, i.e. volume coming in very massively and then starts to parabolic and starts to hold, then I'll be a bit worried on it. So that's that. And we have Lucid looks, if it does start to push down. MRK, let me have a look. MRK looked good around here, but I think on MRK it's a bit extended. We're talking 8450, so it's right now kind of looks like a chase, but I might be wrong on it. Also, this kind of price action, especially this wash and that bounce, and if it starts to bounce up again, I probably wouldn't like that, because we've got quite a bit of confluence here, a level 8050 EMA, and then that range close opening range. You know, guys, the one that I missed today is CEI. I was really watching this, and I really thought Jay would have taken this. If not here, if not there, maybe there. But I really thought Jay would have taken it, but he was in a better trade, so yeah, that's fine. As long as some of us are taking it, these trades. Palt. Come on, Lucy. Give me something. So 626. Right, so Lucy Licious, where is he? Lucid. There we go. Lucid, guys. So Lucid now, it's getting closer and closer. That EMA, you can rely on that EMA break for your exit. If this is a good trade, hopefully it shouldn't be coming up to 25. If it does, 25 break could be an exit point. But I don't think, well, I might be wrong on that. I mean, I just think that this has more room to the downside. I really want to take some out, but 2450s or 60s is where I'm targeting for the first. Now, right now, you can take some out, guys, because this is bouncing off of yesterday's close. So do consider some partials. But my stop will be over 25 now, guys. Looks decent, to be honest. Looks decent. Go Palt. Go Palt. It's your birthday. Okay, UVXY. So Bmra, guys, be careful because it's bouncing off of that and it's a reversal sign. So I'm going to be extremely careful on Bmra. I might exit early as well. This, I don't like this. This is a reversal sign off of 6, so I might exit. Yeah, that's good. That's a good exit. Um, I've given up a little bit on it. Um, right here somewhere, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. Because I just don't like this. You see this volume coming in, the reversal pattern is there. It's already formed. I started realizing the reversal pattern here when 6 started to hold. But the thing is which one is stronger? That's the question here. The reversal pattern or this level here that it's just been going and coming back in. So we will have to find out. Right? Sorry, I'm out on it, guys, if you didn't know. Just in case. Somewhere here. Yep. Looks strong, guys. Bmra for now looks strong. I just feel like this 630s, if it does start to break, this will have some momentum to the upside. Because the way it's trading at the moment looks strong. Lucid isn't doing much. Is that reversal point? Actually, it might be. Are we into half an hour? Yeah, that could be it, isn't it? That could be it. All right. I'm gonna be a bit tight on Lucid, guys. Just on the break of 25s, I'll get out on Lucid. If Lucid, this is what I'm talking about, break and close above 25s, I'll be out. Very, very small loser if it's gonna take me out. And AMC is reversing, by the way. AMC reversed. Boom. You can't ignore these reversal patterns, guys. 38 level, yesterday's close, comes back, tries it quite a few times, creates a really nice double bottom, and look at the volume on the double bottom, right? How can you ignore that, guys, right? This is what I mean by Andrew. This is what I mean by reversals. Usually AMC tends to give really good reversal signs. When it does, frickin' BMRA. F you, Bmra. Can we swear? By the way, guys, if we swear, what's gonna happen to the stream? I don't know. I have no clue. What might happen? F you, Bmra. If you didn't know what I was talking about, this is what I mean. Lovely. So in this case, guys, the reversal wasn't as strong as the short sellers staying here. Any pops, these are getting heavily shorted. So for now, short sellers are winning, and I think it's almost looking like confirmed fade today. No, it's just my the way I grew up. It's very hard for me to swear, guys. Sorry. I know it's good sometimes, once in a while, I think, but I've been. It's very hard for me, even if I want it. Honestly, it's like if it was allowed or not allowed, even doesn't matter. But it's just I don't feel comfortable at all. Look at this AMC. Might be a good thing to talk about this, Andrew. Yesterday I wanted to, but you today we might get the chance to. So just if you can remind me. I'm too soft, guys. I'm physically tough, but I'm like complete opposite of what I look like. Maybe that's why I went into a lot of martial arts when I was young, because I was too soft. Somehow I never got bullied in school, because I held my own anywhere. They tried, but they all failed. It's probably because in the at young age I started to do a lot of sports and martial arts. I love martial arts. Short Aapl. Reversal. Look at that 40 level holding on AMC, guys. It's not joke. Aapl, and also let's have a look. Aapl looks decent there, guys. I might have been a bit late on it. I think I'm late. But if you've taken 140.60s under 140.60s, yes, there is a trade. Yep. Yeah. Um, I feel like I want to add to. That makes sense. You see, with this one, the only thing is this price action, solid. This price action is a bit kind of like a dodgy price action. This is better. Break of this is the way I like about this is completely breakdown. Broke down of yesterday's low, I believe, and also ORB. So it's looking like decent short if you have taken it. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Right, what is our trades doing right now? Lucid. Come on, baby. 2470s. Take him out. Yeah, sure, Josh. I'm there. Although I might not be that much fair. I might not be like 10 years ago, but I can still hold my own. I hope. It's been a while since I tested it. But that might be good excuse to test it. Oh man, listen, 5'7". You're 5'7". It's nothing to do with the height. Trust me. It's actually I have come across some people who can beat the hell out of 6'2s. They're 5'5", 5'4". I have seen it myself. I'm 6'2", and you know, being 6 foot over, it's got advantages, yeah, but also disadvantages as well, especially when it comes to martial arts. That's why I went with the taekwondo initially because of my reach. Yeah, it's very easy. Just the thing is, um, in the street fight, there's no rules or regulations. Just hit their weakest point. Simple. That's your fight done. Break that weakest link, and the chain collapses. Sorry, I'm done. Yep. uh, I'm a bad influence here. Shouldn't be. Damn, Jay, you killing it, bro. I'm kind of jealous right now. Come on, Jay. See, the thing with Jay is he will take a trade and then, like, half an hour later, he'll tell us, "Oh, you know what? I am." Yeah, I know he takes these trades, but he just keeps it to himself. I'm I'm pulling your leg, man. I'm happy to see something like this kind of trade. I really like it to see from the stream. Anybody who takes good trades, I genuinely feel happy about it because that is the whole purpose, guys. it, you know what? It probably wouldn't be a big winner if you had called it out. Where's our Lucid doing though? Lucid is doing great. By the way, thingy, PALT, boom. Look at that. So this one, PLT, I think this is just the beginning of the massive move down, in my opinion. So it'll be nice to keep an eye on this, guys. And Grom as well. I was watching Grom, but 380s. Just the problem with Grom is not much of a range, but there is a setup here. I think 380s. I might try this Grom, guys. GROM around under 380 basically. By the way, Lucid, guys, if you haven't taken anything out, please do me a favor, take some out. It's just before 2450 as well. Just take some out, guys. I'm looking into taking some out as well. Finally, it's starting to work, especially with the ad. Did I add on it? No, not on this one. Which one did I add on earlier? Oh, bloody Bmra. Freaking Bmra. 2504. Lovely. Beautiful. Really good entry. Loving it. Uh, 2504 around 05s will be my stop on Lucid LCID. It's a good opportunity shorting a Bmra right now. I feel like I want to give it another try, but just don't want to. Okay. Oh, Palt is halted, going down. Palt is halted. It should be opening in about 2 minutes or so. In about 30 seconds, Palt, or right now, in fact. Yeah, Palt is just that's not a good sign. Just he's already made up his mind. Might be a really decent short here. Stick with it because SPY is washing as well. War. And that area, well, actually, no, yeah, SPY washed yesterday's low, which is good. Now, SPY even might give us some opportunity here, guys. So that's looking like a really decent trade, whatever you took there. Yeah, techs are washing, guys. So it might be a good idea to be looking and watching these bigger names, guys, today. Because whenever SPY is active like this, always go with the big names. That's where the most money is made. Grom, I'm shorting Grom 376, guys. Grom shorting 376. Right here. $376. I'll see what it does around 390s. Over 390s, I'll get out of Grom. This is what I meant, guys, by Palt. Good shorting opportunity right there. That's this is just your confirmation. Like, this is just done. All right, took some out. Lucid, guys, 2440s, around 41s, something like that. 41, somewhere there. Lucid. Yeah, Bmra. I was watching that. Just didn't really give me a chance. I was waiting to short it here. Just was paying attention to other stocks. The Lucid was one of them I have to manage on the side. So yeah, Bmra. This is just like, it's something is trying to manipulate. There's games being played for sure, but there's a lot of strength to the downside. You know, unless that changes, which I don't think it will. It will require a lot of force for it to change this much bias, right? It's just, it's clear, guys. Like, you gotta be, you know what I mean? Like, you can't just ignore that. As soon as it tries to push, especially with this much force and getting rejected, double the force. So also PALT would have been really nice short here, guys. Under 12 when it started to poke above, and that's it. That's already done now. You can't chase it. AMC might give us some opportunity as well under 39s right here. If it does pop there, keep an eye on that, guys. What is going on today, guys? What the heck? Like, Grom looks okay. Just need more volume coming in, guys, and this already looks like a decent trade. I just needed to be bringing some more volume, some liquidity. Don't like the liquidity on it at the moment. Now, on the break of 385s, I can get out of this. So my risk is very, very tight on this now. Yep, 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 yep. And Lucid, did I show you guys? I was out here, 2041, I believe I was out. Let me check. I believe it was 41, somewhere here. Right? Yep. Right, Lucid. Who's in Lucid, guys? Somebody, please. Who's still in it? Somebody's got to be in it, right? Still in half. Nice, nice. Well done. Looking decent. By the way, AMC, there was a short. Anybody took it? Might have been a bit late. I did mention it on that rejection of 39, which it did. So too late now. But if you're chasing, make sure it's the chase size, because your stop is over the break of 39s. Just keep that in mind. By the way, your Aapl must have done really well. War, solid. Yeah, but the wash should be coming now. Should be coming. This is another setup, but it's just overextended, but actually it's a good sign for you. It should break now. Come on, break, Aapl. Break. 1, 2, 3, break. Come on. Oh, it's stubborn. But it looks good. That's what I'm gonna say on it. CEI, which one are we looking at? CEI. CEI. Just wanted to, yeah, possible short is there because the volume is not picking up on it. So actually this is a pullback. So I might look into it. Probably shorting it. Ah, damn it. Yeah, this one looks decent as well. The thing with this is though already made quite a bit of move. So do expect a bit of a bigger pullback. So if you do trade it now, short it, just make sure you have a bit of a room. If you can't have a room, then either risk losing this, Friday guys, risk missing this trade as it goes down, or just wait for the VWAP rejection. Yep. But damn, Aapl, very clean, very clean. This trade was really nice. It would have definitely been A plus setup for me, but the only thing that's stopping it from A plus is this sort of price action. But then when it broke it nicely. So yeah, still a good trade. Damn good trade. And your Palt is just gonna go, isn't it? And there's a short opportunity here on Palt, but it's very expensive. Damn you, Palt. Hey, Jay, come on, you gotta treat us now, right? At least something, right? Jay's hit it out of the park, man. It's crazy trade. And it's just fading off. This is what you call a fader, all day fader. That 40 level, Jay, 40 level, bro, that is a big level. Just you know what to do, bro. Shit, that's sick, bro. Yep. For the whole night, drink should be on you, not just one or two. See, this is the thing, guys, about trading. Sometimes it can be really, really painful, but it's these one good trades that are that successful makes it trading what it is so attractive. It's just there's nothing like it in this. I don't think there's nothing like it in this world. A job that provide this sort of feeling. If you consider it a job, I don't think it's a job. For me, I've never considered it a job. It's a business. It's your business. That's how it should be considered. Right. Where are we? Okay, so if since we're quiet a little bit, let's just quickly talk about the reversal compared to the pullback. And is if Andrew is still there, I think he asked that question. Might be a good idea. Where's my Lucid? Okay, he's here. Right. Just gonna make sure I put my certain levels here before I start getting into that. Right. Yeah, I am as well. CEI. CEI is quite interesting though. That's the thing. This is a pullback, guys. Now it's curling. You see the way is shaped. It's just really like waiting for something. But I still think that if it does pop towards VWAP, it might be a better entry, as long as the volume is staying. This seems like right now seems like a decent price action. Okay. Right, which one was gonna talk about? AMC. I believe it was AMC. I'm just watching the CEI as well. Just, CEI. Yeah, it sometimes it doesn't have to go to VWAP, but usually it does after this sort of a pullback. So anyways, it's taking its time. Ooh, that was cheeky right here. There was a short here, and then 39 broke. That's a loser there. I think War Solid took it. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's a loser. Okay, this definitely looked like a more continuation to the downside. Maybe a bit later on, but seems like it's not. So right over here, see, let me see. So first things first, there's a lot of things behind the reversal. To notice the reversal pattern, there's a lot of things behind it. It could be something to do with daily, bigger picture, or things like that. But when it comes to price action, usually reversals happen when a stock is overextended and it's moving fast. and the way it pulls back, you always want to have a little bit of a less volume than the main move. Like when the main move happens, it's bigger volume. When the pullback happens, it's lower, so decreasing. So main move increasing, the pullback decreasing. Yeah, to keep it simple. If that changes to the other side, like so basically pullback is increasing and then the main move is decreasing, that's actually the shift. That's the telltale sign something is up. Right now it doesn't tell you reversal at all. It's just actually a continuation right now. But once you have this, the volume is still not like okay. It could just still hold that 20 EMA. But once this happened, right? Now, before this happens, or as it's happening, right? In here somewhere, you will start to notice the volume, right? Okay, 313 CEI, come on. 313. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave CEI, guys. So I'll leave it. But if you're trading it, yeah, there was a trade, I believe, on it. Let me have a look. Just checking it. Right, so first of, okay, that's first thing, right? You want to check the volume. What is the volume doing with the price? Is the volume responding to the price of reversal sign, which is increasing volume on the pullback, which was this, right? Now, um, after that, you want to see, is there a pattern, right? You want to see the pattern a little bit earlier before it's too late. Like once you start, the pattern starts to confirm. Even here at the close, the pattern is already confirmed almost. That's double top, sorry, double bottom. And you want to pay attention to where it's reversing from, right? Well, it's reversing from this level here. Yesterday's close, 38 level, opening range. There's a lot of things going on there. So once it starts to hold that area, expect a bit of a reversal. Now, once that reversal comes with a volume and the pattern is there, those three things are checked, then you've got your reversal. And that's why you might see me a lot of times exiting trades early. I exit trades early specifically because I start to notice these price actions that is actually a reversal. But again, it's not as simple as that, guys. There's a lot of things to do with the level 2 as well as, but that's just generally what you want to be looking at if you want to be technical about it, right? You want to be technical about it. Make sure those checks are checked, right? Which is what I mentioned earlier. And also look at this. You see over here, I was saying to myself, well, that looks a bit strange. That 38 is holding a bit overextended. Volume might be shifting, not just yet, right? And then the bounce off of that level again, especially on the higher highs, started to make me a bit, like itchy on my trade. If I was short on it, I'm thinking, oh shoot, if it's followed by another, strong, I would probably get out somewhere on the break of here. I probably would be quick on it because of this extension. And I usually notice these reversals very quickly as well, as early as this one, as early as this, because I don't know, it's just one of those things. It takes a while. It's just the second nature thing. And then as you can see, look, if you haven't noticed it here, that's fine. That's too early. If you haven't noticed it here, maybe you require a lot of practice. But then if you don't notice it here, right, then you're just you're in your bag holding to the short side. You're trapped because you don't want to accept the fact that this is not actually a pullback. You look at the volume, boom, 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 stair stepping, increasing. This is actually the sign of confirmed reversal, at least for now. Now the next candle, what it does, I don't know. But for now, it's definitely a reversal. Um, so the earlier you spot the reversal, the better it is. Yes, you will have small losers, but you will get yourself into one of those trades that will run, and then you will hold on to it unless you see that reversal sign, which is a great thing to have. That is what I meant by reversal versus pullback. You see this pullback here? Decreasing volume, this pullback, decreasing volume, and then level is holding. There's no other level here, right? Over here, you've got 38, yesterday's break, right? Extension, and a pullback. This pullback is healthy because even this pullback, if you pay attention to this pullback, the volume is kind of rising, right? So those are the small little hints that if you pay attention to, can really get you to the next level. By the way, GoGo is breaking up, guys. GoGo. Why do I have this on watch list? It looks strong, but the volume needs to come in. Yep, that's what it is. Did you trade? Anybody trade CI? I didn't trade it, unfortunately. This volume is coming in on this, guys. GoGo volume is coming in, and 1857s. Just I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Daily looks alright as well. And our Lucid. Lucid. Here we go. Voila. Lucid, go for another round and I'll take most of you out because I need to go. Guys, if it does hit this level, 24.15s, I'll be out completely on it. What a beautiful trade. What a massive R on it. I just need to hit 1 or 2 trades like this and I'm done. Boom. So there we go. It's about to hit my final target hopefully soon. I would really like it around 24s, but I'm not going to be fussy. If it gives me 24.15, I'll take it. Ooh, go. Go. Here's another thing, right? Here's something else you might want to note down. Right? When a stock doesn't do what it should do, that's usually something you want to pay attention to. Let's say this volume was coming up here. You see here, curling back up. Now let's say we don't have any level there. It looks like a reversal, but see, the thing is, it's brought in volume towards that VWAP. Quite a bit of volume right here. And the price didn't break it at all. Right? So price really sort of held there and then slowly rejected. That also is like, how do I say this? Like a convergence divergence thing on the when it comes to price action and volume. Right? So sorry, it doesn't. It's not. I think it's like that. Right? So so in this case, this is right here. I wanted to show you the volume is rising. You might think this is a reversal. Now the thing with this is, you know, the VWAP zone, the VWAP zone, I'll call it, is a lot of orders area. It's a liquidity area. It's a magnet for orders and things like that. So once you start to see pop of the volume near the VWAP, it doesn't really tell you much. Apart from, yes, it's actually they're dragging it down towards the VWAP to just hit those orders. That's why you have that raised volume over here near the VWAP, and then it started to. Now the only thing on this one is worrying is after this continuation. So this was supposed to be a continuation, right? Well, continuation usually doesn't go like that, right? Continuation doesn't usually go like that. It usually goes like this, right? So small little things like that is there to keep an eye on. It doesn't really confirm everything. Everything has to be confirmed by the price. If something is doing what it shouldn't be doing when it comes to volume, then you want to wait for that price to confirm it to the other side, to the other let's say you're short biased and this should continue and it's not doing it, and the volume is basically decreasing on the main move, then you want to pay attention to the price. And then once the price starts to confirm, in this case, once the price starts to confirm trading above the VWAP, I'll be like, nah. You see over here, this pullback even to the VWAP was slow on the volume. So it is actually in that slow process. It's not really like this time frame where you get drop and a healthy pullback, drop and a healthy pullback, some volume price action you can read. On these areas where it's quiet, very difficult to read. That's why I really like to trade in this environment here, between this and 1030. That's actually where my edge is. Right? Does that make sense? And if I was short on it, let's say on the VWAP or just under VWAP, I will keep my stop over the break of VWAP still, because I've taken that that risk and I've put that risk on. I want to give it some time. Okay, what else? Anything else, guys, you want to talk about? I am going to be heading out. If not, cheers, Josh. You too, guys. Enjoy your weekends. Just Friday. I think Friday, being Friday, I think most of the move has already happened. So be careful, guys. Like this Palt. Look at this. This pattern, head and shoulder pattern. Now, if this bar itself comes with a volume, then that's your kind of like a confirmation of at least a bigger pullback or some sort of reversal, right? You see that's not coming with the volume, right? That has to come up with the volume. But you see, you wanna notice these head and shoulders or whatever it is, reversal patterns. Usually reversals comes in head and shoulders and double tops, double bottoms. This is a double top, by the way. Right? Doesn't matter it looks like a little bit of a, no, that's even a better double top, by the way. And then this is your um, this is your head and shoulder pattern, which is happening right now. You see the volume picking up now. Look at the volume, right? If you are short on it, I'll be careful. Something like this, right? Just trying to give you guys more examples, that's all. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. You've got a question, James? Yeah, go ahead. By the way, Gogo went and never looked back. Not really. I was thinking of 1850s. Actually, yes, it did go. It did go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let me know. Just write it down or whatever. Like we can talk about it. It might be a good topic for next week. So every day, if we cover one topic, is great. Anyways, guys, I wish you best of luck. Enjoy your weekends and come back fresh on Monday, and I'll see you 9:15 EST. I just might start a bit early, but I'm not too sure. I'll let you know in Discord if I do start early, because I feel like we are starting a bit late, but that's just we'll see. Anyways, guys, have a good one. Take it easy. Stay safe. Ciao.